Hey guys, I'm back at the shop today with Mike Massen from Down to Earth Landscaping, Lawn Care.
Lawn Care Landscaping.
Lawn Care Landscaping.
Yep.
He is from Sioux Center, Iowa. I got it right. He was at my last training in Kingsland, Georgia. Mike has been in landscaping for about 10 years, and I've always found that landscapers are some of the guys that integrate into the pool game the easiest because they know how to make everything around it look so good. We know how to make a cool looking pool, but if it's got hay growing around it, it's not so great. Mike has already got several pools under construction, and we're helping him out with all the supplies. Kind of wanted to show you a few things about the kits a little more detailed today as he came down to pick it up himself. Normally, what we do is we have a hotshot driver or me, depending on where you're located, and Eric sends out a little bill of materials. It's got a QR code that has your phone number attached to it, another QR code that's got your address. We just scan it and go. Super easy. It's got everything listed out that you need. He's got a pretty elaborate vinyl liner kit here. He's bought some more Zonts and Zuckles because he's got so many projects going on. He needed more. Got some new Zats. And from the look of it, you've got liner covered stairs, tanning ledge looking. Yeah, you got a lot going on there.
Yep.
And what is it, 18 by 36?
Yep. 18 by 36, about a 10-foot tanning ledge, and we'll have a step that runs all the way across, right on the edge.
Yep.
About 10 inches of water on the tanning ledge is the goal.
Perfect, because you're doing bubblers, and that's kind of the max depth, which Eric has like helped him go through exactly what the Pentair stuff is capable of. He's got the plumbing side down, but knowing what the bubblers can actually bubble, perfect. So just looking around here, so guys, really cool thing, you know, I've shown you this in videos before, but we actually make up the main drains for you. This saves you a good bit of time. I mean, this is, you know, 30 glue joints, something. It also, not that Mike needs this anymore, but it has our QR code right here with our logo. You can scan that QR code. I know I got my finger over it, so the copycats can't use it. But anyway, we have a QR code right here. You scan this, it shows you exactly how to install this. We got another one printed on all of our return jets. This is a light, but returns and lights, showing you where we would put them, how we put them in. That's all right there on the pipe. Our skimmer does the same thing. We have a skimmer template that we have made. I think we're the only guys doing this. Everyone just tells you to chop a big hole in the wall, foam it in, and that does work. We actually have a template here that goes on here and folds to where you actually have the fin, because these are made to go in a steel wall. But these little, that some people tell you to cut these off, we use them because they actually mount it in the wall very firmly. This folds over the wall. It shows you where to make every cut. And we include a piece of pipe. All right. Plus we put this in every skimmer. It also has our logo with the QR code for the skimmer, showing you how to do it. And that piece of pipe is cut just the right length for this tail piece that's barely in the wall, the way these work out. So we got a really tricked out setup. We also are starting to do this. We have a pipe printer, so we print out main drain, deep skimmer, shallow skimmer, and these are head pieces that will come right beyond his ball valves. You know, you turn them off. So we have a way we like to plumb them in order. So he can use these right before his manifold that runs back into his pump. And all of them are labeled without my bad handwriting and Sharpies. It's a real professional look. Like I said, he does really professional landscape work. We try to make it really easy for him to make his pools look that cool too. IntelliCenter, so fully automated. Filter, I'm just looking at all your fun goodies. There's all your plumbing, your ball valves. You're doing a heater. You're in Iowa. Of course you are.
Happy.
Are you doing auto cover?
Yes.
Okay, cool. There's clips. Yeah, so he's got 4 micro brights right there. You got 2 bubblers. That's gonna be sick. Bubblers are a really cool addition, guys. We're seeing more and more people do them. Zinc anode, because you got a saltwater pool, so we're gonna bond the water and give it a sacrificial spot. And you got a waterfall.
Yep.
Nice.
Yep.
He's got a shear descent waterfall kit here. So yeah, guys, this pool is gonna be beautiful.
That's the goal.
Mike's gonna shoot some video while he does it, and I'll bring you guys progress of his builds and stuff. And we've got another pool up in Iowa we may be delivering sometime in the next few weeks, just equipment, to a guy who came to my training back last summer. And if I do, I may stop in and see Mike, see how it's going. He's already got the hole dug for this one, so he drove all the way down here to get it, and not wait on the hot shot.
Yeah.
So, Mike, we're going to load you up now. We're going to see if we can get all this stuff on that trailer and all this on your truck and trailer. I got a couple Amish guys, so you may just see the end result since they don't like to get on camera. Okay, guys, magically, we got it all loaded up. Now the boys are taking lunch so we can talk again. Mike's completely loaded up. He came and got his own because he had a rain day. You have to send me that picture. I'll put it on the video. He dug his pool and it's half full of water before he even built it. So you may have a pool anyway.
It's ready to go.
But yeah, he's got all his Zuckles, his Zats, everything fit nicely on a pretty, not a huge trailer, 24-footer. So you guys can do this. It saves you a good bit of shipping. Shipping this stuff is always a little bit costly. But guys, I needed to tell you guys one thing about training at the end of May. When I announced it, I had no idea our website was having a glitch, and a bunch of you guys reached out. We can tell you did, but we can't see your emails. The contact form was messed up. Hit us again through that contact form or email directly support@all3pools.com. That's a safe bet. Even if you've done the contact form or you do the contact form, do it. Just copy paste it into support@all3pools.com so Patrick can make sure he can get back to you. He's recovered some of them, but it was kind of a mess, and we didn't even know for like a week and a half that it was happening. So we lost a lot of your contacts. It's kind of a crappy deal. But like I said, I mean, we do a training with all these guys. He was just at our most recent one.
Yeah, we went down to Georgia. That was really cool experience. We got to see, that was a monopore there. And yeah, just working together with Pat and Eric and Aaron and all the coordination, everything went really well. These guys are awesome. Feel free to reach out and talk to these guys. They got loads of information to help you out on your own project or if you're starting your own pool business. So reach out, get things rolling.
Thanks, man.
You bet.
All right.